adventure, sports, outdoors. With host Harry Canterbury.
There I was, back in the wild again, and I felt right at home where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before. Yeah.
Hi, Harry Canterbury with another edition of Adventure Sports Outdoors. Today the show is going to the dogs. We're up in Morton, Illinois at the Pumpkin Festival at the Dock Dogs demonstration. It's a demonstration of dogs jumping off a dock, and it's really, really something to see. Also, we're going to have a tribute to a good friend of mine that I hunted with all my life who passed away this past August, Bill Peak. And we're also going to show you a little piece about the Ivory-Billed Woodpecker that was rediscovered in Arkansas. So stay tuned today for a great show.
Sports Outdoors, brought to you in part by Corsaw Lumber, manufacturers of quality hardwood products and buyers of standing timber in Smithfield.
Central Pool Supply, everything from pools to pool tables and much more in Peoria on West Pioneer Parkway.
Remax, specializing in commercial and recreational property in Peoria. Michael O'Brien, president. Kaler's Irish Pub and Eatery, located on Peoria's riverfront, open 11 a.m. daily.
Alwyn & Sons Meat Company since 1957, located in Peoria Heights, Illinois.
Our thanks to these sponsors.
The sport of dock dogs was started in 2000 with a competition called Big Air. It is the fastest growing dog sport in the United States and is open to any dog, no matter what kind of dog it is. You don't have to be a pedigree. Dock dogs is a fun performance sport for dogs. Dock dogs events are held regionally, nationally, and internationally. Most dock dogs competitions are comprised of 4 contests: Big Air, Extreme Vertical, and Speed Retrieve, and the new sport, Iron Dog, which is now held at the national competitions. There's no age limits for handlers, nor are dock dog events limited to certain breeds. Any breed, from the smallest Chihuahua to the largest Great Dane, is welcome at the dock dog event. Any breed, any size, 6 months or older. Remember to come prepared if you bring your dog. Big Air is judging for distance. This competition judges how far your dog can jump from the edge of the dock across the pool. The dog can start by running from the beginning of the dock in order to generate momentum. Distance is calculated from the edge of the dock to where the base of the dog's tail hits the water. There are many different divisions, so all dogs with different jumping distances can join in the fun and have success. Can you tell me about your dogs?
They're Newfoundlands.
You're big dogs.
Yeah, they're big dogs.
What's their names?
This is Griffin and this is Bosco.
Well, hello
They're
there.
about 135 and 150 pounds.
Oh my goodness, big boy. Both boys? Both boys. Beautiful dogs. Does your dog get in the water?
Yes, she does.
She does.
She will be jumping later this afternoon.
Really?
Yep.
And what's her name?
Her name is Bristles.
Oh, well, hi, honey. How are you doing today?
Silly.
What do you think?
You're back, aren't you?
Yeah.
I saw you yesterday.
No, I wasn't here yesterday.
Oh,
Somebody must have a shirt like it.
Who we got here?
This is Bella.
Bella. Well, hello, Bella. How are you doing today? Oh, yeah.
She's gonna jump here.
Does Bella like the water?
Oh yeah, she'll jump about 14 feet here at 2:30.
Oh, really? Good deal.
And then my male, we did the EV. I think I might have made the finals with him, but Extreme Vertical, he'll jump. This will be our first one, but at home he's jumped 7 foot, which will put me in the top 12 in the world.
Wow.
So we'll see how he does here.
Right.
So,
great.
Yeah. So
great.
It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
This event took place in Morton, Illinois. This was the first one in central Illinois. They're all over the United States. but this was the very first event held in central Illinois.
Jangly junk you can get off the collar, the better.
Harry Canterbury, and I'm here with...
Cesar is a no-kill animal shelter. It's just located 12 miles east of Bloomington Airport on Route 9. We have over 300 adoptable animals. We have a fall festival coming up in September and a 5K walk in October. And of course, visit our website at www.cesarshelter.com.
Sounds great. Well, glad you're here today, and I hope folks come and see you and help find homes for everybody.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sounds great. Thank you.
All right, now we have Peggy and her other dogs. Get her 3-year-old Labrador. That's right. I know. I saw it and I recognized it.
Stay.
She was doing so good.
I know.
All right. So she's still got time. She's less than a minute to get herself back up.
This is Tom Stanessa in Morton, Illinois, and this is the first annual dog dock diving competition ever in the middle of Illinois, and the plans to do it again next year, especially when we see what's going on today. And even yesterday, off and on rain, we had about 80 dogs that came out, and from the general public that tried the dock, and then some registered. It was a great day in and around the showers. Today, the weather's fantastic. I don't know how many dogs are running, but the schedule is full. We're pushing them through. Each dog's got 90 seconds on the dock and to do the jump. And the 3 competitions that we've got, we're now in the second competition, which is the big air. That's jumping for distance. Later on today, we're going to do the doggy high jump. It's called extreme vertical. That's where the dogs jump up in the air to grab a toy, and the good guys are jumping up about 8 feet over the level of the dock. Of course, they're jumping out in the water from there. We got a good crowd here with people that have never seen anything like this before, as well as competitors coming from 5 states. Boy Scouts we've got doing the parking. That's been a challenge for them, but good training for them for their adulthood, parking cars. The food is fantastic, made by friends of mine in a German club. Morton Optimus Club is actually doing that. This is about the end of the year for competition. The national competition will be coming up next month, but there's a lot of dogs here now that are in the running to make the finals in the national competition. So it's been a great day, and it's great to have Harry out here to take a look at what we're doing. This whole setup has been made possible by the Village of Morton Tourism Funds and some other sponsors, because it's big-time organization with the pool, the dock, the grandstands, and all of that. But it's been really a fun event with dogs being the focus, not people. So, Harry, I hope that that's good, and these are best wishes to you and your crew. Thanks for coming.
How you doing?
Good.
This is Sandy.
Pretty dog.
Yeah. Husky Pyrenees mix.
Yeah.
You can adopt her.
I've got 3.
There's one more then.
Oh. I got 1-year-old film.
This is Nibbles. He's a 2-year-old Lab Beagle mix. Is he ready for adoption?
He's a nice dog.
He's a
very nice dog. Very nice dog. Yes, you are.
He's doing great today.
Yes, he is.
He's not real.
Who we got over here?
Daisy, she's a 1.5-year-old husky mix.
Oh, has such pretty eyes.
She's a good girl.
Yes. Hi, honey. How are
Beautiful
you?
Girl.
Yes. Oh. That's right. And then we got over here.
This is a 2-year-old collie. She's a dachshund. She's
very nice.
Very
dog.
sweet, lovable, loves everybody.
Yeah. And she's up for adoption too?
All the dogs up for adoption, yep.
Oh, nice dog.
Smile for the camera, kid.
I want a home. Somebody come get me.
Yeah.
Somebody come take me home.
Look how cute I am. Come on, you gotta love me.
Here we go.
Oh, that's a nice picture. Who we got here?
This is DJ. He's a 1.5-year Cairn Terrier.
Uh-huh.
He has a Napoleon complex.
Is he up for adoption?
Yep, he sure is, down at Taps.
Oh.
He's pretty tuckered out at the moment.
He's enjoying the weather.
Sure is.
No, I just wait.
We have a special case here. Our handler is blind and deaf.
Get that part of the lab over there.
First time jump?
Yes,
First time jump. Okay. Cool.
We do have competitions throughout the day.
Let's go to any kid.
These are beginner, you know, they're just trying it out.
Just cute stuff.
Yeah.
But that's going to be our next competition this morning, starting around 11:30. All right, good try, sweetie.
One jump. They only get one jump like that?
All right.
Well, this is their second go around, so they're limiting it to one jump.
Oh, I missed that jump.
Nicely done.
All right.
This little one thought about it earlier. You launched yourself off the ramp, if I recall.
Go, 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 go.
Just gotta make sure she doesn't jump off the side. Come on, sweetie. We're cool minute. Look at it, left out of our run. Well, we have another dog on the top and jumped over the pool.
Look at that donkey go.
Oh, flew into the right. She is a crazy little girl. Loves this. Okay, competitors that are already registered and signed up. They have an orange wristband. When we have 2 more individuals get up on the top. One more individual after this lady. All right, after the ribbon, we have 1 more individual get up on the top. We will then open the back up for open down jump practice. You can either practice big air or you can practice speed retreat. You need to let Brian know that if you practice the speed retreat, we gotta make sure we have the bumper set at the end of that. So when we finish in the next few minutes, we'll say 5.
Grab the bumper off the apparatus. It's pretty exciting to see. So stick around. There's all kinds of events going on. The first one is going to be our speed retreat. And that'll be a lot of fun to watch, and a lot of cheering. This is a sport that we can yell and cheer and have fun. Very seldom. There are a few. We're glad everybody came out today. It's a beautiful day. It's a little cooler today, which is actually better for our dogs. We had an event in Libertyville this summer, and it was like one of those 103 weeks. Also, our finals will be tomorrow, so we want to make sure that you're here for the finals. We have different levels of finals, so make sure you check it out before you leave. It's going to be very exciting.
Okay, Sonny. Get it, boy. Good boy.
What kind of dog is that?
Belgian sheepdog.
That's what I thought it was. Pretty.
His name is Pirate. He's 9.
Hi, honey. How are you? You look like a nice guy. Yes, you do.
He's not mine. I'm just holding him for his owner right now.
Not lying. Could you come over?
What a pretty little girl.
Yeah.
You are not lying, and you do. Hi, Precious. What's her name? Dainty? Daisy. Well, Daisy is dainty, though.
Set. Set. Go.
Live speed down the back, about 19-foot jump. See how fast he is in the water.
We love the deer.
We love the deer. Oh, they're tremendous. It's really a joy to watch them.
Yeah, it is.
It's fantastic.
He don't jump, huh?
No, he don't jump. I'm gonna have to teach him how to do this.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Then you have to show him.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The Morton Dock Dog Jumping Contest was a great success. There was over 1,500 spectators and over 200 jumping dogs. And this has been going on for 12 years. The highest jump was just under 8 foot, and the world record was almost matched again. It was 27 feet 2 inches and 1 foot below the world record. So that is one jumping dog. But it was a lot of fun. It was a great success. And next year they're going to do it again, and we'll let you know when the Dock Dog jumping competition comes back to town.
We heard something. He heard it and I heard it too. I said, don't ask me what that was. I've never heard a sound like that in my life. And he said, well, I hadn't either, and I've been birding for, 60 years. I said, well, I couldn't tell you what in the world we just heard.
Well, it was a different type of bird. It looked different from the pileated woodpecker. It looked different from a duck. And I really don't know what to say about that bird. I really don't know.
For the first time I've been out there, I saw something I couldn't identify right away, of the big black and white woodpecker. And there it went. And as it flew off, my mind was saying, turn, turn, turn. White throats. That was might have been a pileated there.
I was guiding a person from Ohio, and he told me, he said, I saw it. He said, I know what it looks like. I'm a birder. I know what it looks like. I did not have my camera. I was just looking. He flew out of the woods and went over this way and lit over there, and he said, I saw the woodpecker.
It lives in the Big Woods region of eastern Arkansas and perhaps other places around the southeast still as well.
Our Department of the Interior scientists have also looked at the information, and they are likewise enthusiastic that we have actually spotted an ivory-billed woodpecker.
Bobby and I caught a plane down there, and the second day, an ivory-billed woodpecker flew in front of Bobby and I at close range. And, we almost fell out of the canoe.
It was a spiritual experience. It's an unbelievable blessing.
I'll tell you, when I interviewed Gene, I knew the man had seen an ivory-bill, and I just knew it was out there.
Well, in tonight's Arkansas by Air, Scott Munsell offers up what else? A bird's eye view of the woodpecker's apparent new East Arkansas habitat.
Well, East Arkansas is a pretty big place, and I thought some of you would like to know just where an ivory-billed woodpecker would care to call home. So we are headed this week down Interstate 40 towards Brinkley, where the initial sightings are said to have occurred.
Singletary at the vice president of the Bank of Brinkley, because he's an avid birder and he knew what an ivory-billed was. But other than that, that's what's been amazing. Is like generally most small town newspapers, we never get a chance at a story like this with international dimensions. And it's been the first time since Thomas and I have been here, we actually sold out of an issue. And the very first issue that had the woodpecker out was April 29th. And we actually went back and reran it. And I've been selling them to one of my high school workers here, and she's been putting them on eBay and selling them all over the country.
Anyway, we do good to open 3 or 4 businesses in a year here. And now, just in half a year, we've opened up 2 new, well, let's see, one restaurant's opened up, another one's going to open up. A place that was already in business has started serving a lunch. And we got a new washateria. And then
this bird has captured the imagination of naturalists for centuries. Audubon reported that there were Indian chiefs wearing belts made of nothing but the bill and crest of the male ivory-bill. But that's what the bird looked like. You see the white. Two of the nicknames show the awe in which it's been held for a long time. King of the woodpeckers, and then, of course, Lord God bird, because that's what people blurted out when they saw it. It really is a very striking, gorgeous bird, and much bigger than you expect to see. You take 2 feet and come up about 3 inches, and then it's got that crimson crest and that gleaming yellow eye, and then that bill is over 3 inches. It's like a chisel. Our largest woodpecker in North America. It's a gorgeous bird. In 1935, Arthur Allen, a marvelous ornithologist from Cornell, decided he wanted to take 6 months trying to record the sounds of endangered birds, because who knows what a passenger pigeon sounded like or a Carolina parakeet. He invited Jim, who was 20, and just starting his graduate work, to climb the trees, climb the cliffs, carry the heavy equipment, cook the food, and so forth. So they went into Florida, and then they went for the Ivory-Billed Woodpecker. This was an area owned by the Singer-Sewing, and from the time the woodpecker woke up in the morning until it went to bed at night, they trained a telescope on it and kept a journal of everything it was doing. Nobody knew how many young it had, what it ate, where it lived, what it did, anything about it. So he was given a scholarship for 3 years. He traveled 48,000 miles in a Model A Roadster and examined every area where it might possibly still be, and estimated there might be 22 ivory bills left.
Sports Outdoors, brought to you in part by Corsaw Lumber, manufacturers of quality hardwood products and buyers of standing timber in Smithfield.
Central Pool Supply, everything from pools to pool tables and much more in Peoria on West Pioneer Parkway.
Remax, specializing in commercial and recreational property in Peoria. Michael O'Brien, president. Gaylor's Irish Pub and Eatery, located on Peoria's riverfront, open 11 a.m. daily.
Alwyn & Sons Meat Company since 1957, located in Peoria Heights, Illinois.
Our thanks to these sponsors.
A good friend of mine by the name of Bill Peake passed away this August. We hunted ducks together for over 30 years up and down the Illinois River. We went to Arkansas, Tennessee, North Dakota, Missouri, either dove shooting or duck hunting. And this all came to an end on August the 9th. My close friend Bill Peake suddenly died while visiting his mother in the Canton Hospital. About 22 years ago, hunting ducks in Havana, Illinois, Bill could not see the difference between a hen and a drake, nor do I think he really cared. It was a duck to him. And I told him, Bill, quit shooting those hens and save them for future generations. He looked at me and said, no one saved me any buffalo. Bill had a great hunting life, and he loved to fish also. And another one of his joys in life was hosting an annual duck dinner for his good friends at the Peoria Hofbrau for the past 20 years. I'll miss Bill, and I just hope they have hunting in heaven. See you, Billy boy. Good hunting.